Told you the restaurant's name is Honest Burger. The most important thing about it is the burger. Ready? Oh wow. Let me open it like this so you guys can see. Oh, that was pretty bad. Cut that. Anywho, this is the burger. You got lettuce. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. You got lettuce. You got lahme. You got the sauce. You got the double burger. Very, very juicy. Smell like lahme. I gotta give it a kiss on the forehead. Obviously, we say Bismillah because we're from Islam. I took a bite of patriarchy right here. This is so taste the butter juice. Alright, good. Thank you for watching. I'll give you a kiss on the forehead. Come closer.